Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to help individuals manage their finances efficiently. Over the past decade, they have become increasingly popular, offering accessible and affordable financial guidance to a wide range of users. These digital advisors are particularly valuable for retirement planning, as they can tailor investment strategies based on individual goals, risk tolerance, and time horizons. By simplifying complex financial decisions, robo-advisors are transforming the way people prepare for their financial futures. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. Unlike traditional financial advisors, who offer personalized guidance and manage investments directly, robo-advisors use computer algorithms to create and manage portfolios based on user input, such as risk tolerance and financial goals. This approach often results in lower fees and more accessible investment options for a wider range of people. While traditional advisors may offer tailored advice and a personal relationship, robo-advisors focus on efficiency and scalability through technology. The choice between the two depends on individual preferences for human interaction and the complexity of financial needs. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that use advanced algorithms to manage investment portfolios automatically. These systems analyze vast amounts of financial data to assess risk tolerance, investment goals, and market trends. By leveraging technology, robo-advisors can create diversified portfolios and make real-time adjustments based on changing market conditions. This approach minimizes human bias and often reduces costs compared to traditional financial advisors. As a result, investors benefit from efficient, data-driven strategies tailored to their individual needs. Robo-advisors have transformed retirement planning by making professional investment management more accessible to a wider audience. These digital platforms typically offer lower fees compared to traditional financial advisors, helping users keep more of their savings. With easy-to-use interfaces and automated portfolio management, robo-advisors simplify the process of setting and tracking retirement goals. They are available around the clock, allowing individuals to manage their retirement plans at their convenience. This combination of affordability and accessibility makes robo-advisors an appealing option for many people preparing for retirement. Robo-advisors use advanced algorithms to tailor investment strategies that align with your unique financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. When you sign up, you typically answer a series of questions about your objectives, how much risk you're comfortable taking, and when you hope to reach your goals. Based on your responses, the robo-advisor automatically selects and manages a diversified portfolio designed to suit your needs. This personalized approach helps ensure that your investments remain aligned with your preferences, even as market conditions or your circumstances change. Diversification is a key principle in investing, as it helps spread risk across a variety of assets. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. Robo-advisors make this process easier by automatically allocating your investments across different asset classes. They also monitor your portfolio and rebalance it as needed, ensuring that your investments stay aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. This automated approach helps optimize returns while maintaining a balanced and diversified portfolio. When evaluating robo-advisors and traditional financial advisors, cost is a significant factor. Robo-advisors typically charge lower management fees, often ranging from 0.25% to 0.50% of assets under management, thanks to their automated processes. In contrast, traditional advisors may charge fees upwards of 1% or more, reflecting the personalized service they provide. Transparency also differs between the two. Robo-advisors usually present their fee structures clearly online, while traditional advisors may have more complex or less visible pricing. These differences can impact both the affordability and clarity of investment management for clients. Many people have questions about robo-advisors, particularly regarding security and the absence of personal interaction. It's important to know that reputable robo-advisors use advanced encryption and strict security protocols to protect your financial data. While some investors worry about the lack of human touch, these platforms often provide access to support teams or even hybrid models that combine automated advice with human guidance. Ultimately, robo-advisors are designed to make investing more accessible and efficient, while maintaining high standards for safety and support. Robo-advisors have gained popularity for their ability to manage investments using automated algorithms. Their performance varies depending on market conditions, often excelling during stable or rising markets due to efficient portfolio rebalancing and low fees. However, in periods of high volatility or downturns, their strategies may be tested, sometimes revealing limitations in risk management compared to human advisors. When it comes to retirement outcomes, studies show that robo-advisors can help investors stay on track with long-term goals, especially through disciplined asset allocation. Still, individual results depend on factors like contribution rates, investment choices, and the specific algorithms employed. Robo-advisors use automated algorithms to manage your investments, helping to remove emotional biases from the decision-making process. By sticking to a predetermined strategy, they prevent impulsive reactions to market fluctuations, which can often lead to costly mistakes. This disciplined approach encourages consistent investing habits and helps you stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Over time, such steady guidance can contribute to more stable growth and a greater chance of reaching your investment objectives. Integrating robo-advisors with other retirement tools and accounts can create a more comprehensive financial strategy. By connecting your robo-advisor to traditional retirement accounts, such as 401ks or IRAs, you gain a clearer overview of your entire portfolio. This integration allows for better asset allocation, tax optimization, and risk management across all your investments. As a result, you can more effectively track your progress toward retirement goals and make informed adjustments as your needs evolve. Selecting the right robo-advisor starts with understanding your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider whether you prefer a hands-off approach or want some level of customization and control over your investments. Evaluate the fees, account minimums, and range of investment options each platform offers. It's also important to check if the robo-advisor provides retirement planning tools and access to human advisors, should you need additional guidance. By aligning these factors with your retirement objectives, you can choose a robo-advisor that best supports your long-term financial success. While robo-advisors offer convenience and low-cost investment management, they do have certain limitations. These automated platforms may struggle to address complex financial situations or provide personalized guidance during major life events, such as inheritance or retirement planning. Additionally, robo-advisors might not fully account for emotional factors that influence financial decisions. In scenarios where nuanced judgment or tailored strategies are required, human financial advisors can offer valuable insights and support. Their expertise becomes especially important when navigating market volatility or making significant changes to a financial plan. As technology continues to advance, robo-advisors are poised to play an even greater role in retirement planning. These digital platforms are expected to offer increasingly personalized advice, leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning to tailor strategies to individual needs. Integration with other financial tools and real-time data analysis will enhance their ability to adapt to changing market conditions. In the future, robo-advisors may also provide more holistic financial planning, addressing not just investments, but also healthcare, taxes, and estate planning. This evolution promises to make retirement planning more accessible, efficient, and responsive for a wider range of people. Embracing robo-advisors can be a pivotal move in planning for a secure retirement. These digital platforms offer personalized investment strategies, often at lower costs than traditional advisors. By leveraging advanced algorithms, robo-advisors help you stay on track with your financial goals and adjust your portfolio as your needs change. Their accessibility and ease of use make sophisticated retirement planning available to more people than ever before. Ultimately, integrating robo-advisors into your retirement strategy could enhance your ability to build and protect your future wealth.